Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about Boxycharm. I do try-on style Boxycharm, so I show you the products that we get, tell you how much they are, and if I like them or not. So this month's theme was Totally Boxycharm. Now if you don't know, Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription box. There's different plans that you can get. You can cancel at any time. All that good information. I will leave the link in my description box below if you want to check it out. Okay, so we will get the products out in the order that I can use them. So the first thing is from Wander Beauty. This is the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. Okay, what is the last thing I have that has this same tip? So this is from Touch in Sol. I just wanted to show you because I've never seen this tip before the primer. So this is the Touch in Sol Prime Essence No Problem Primer, and it's very liquidy, and they have the same tip. They've got pretty much the same packaging other than it being one is bigger than the other, but that is, I don't know, it's like the same. Okay, so back to the Wander Beauty. Oh, it's pink. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's sparkly. It's so pretty looking. It says it is multitasking elixir that hydrates, absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion, no matter the skin type you have. Nourishes and primes skin, helps restore skin moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. I feel like it absorbs so fast in the skin that I feel like I need to keep putting on more. I should have done half my face with it and half without, just so we could have saw the difference. Gosh, why do I always think of those things after I put it on? I mean, my skin looks fairly good. I don't know how much better it looks than it did before. I think it's one of those products that you have to use multiple times before you know if it's helping or not. I am excited about this product though. I do have really dry skin. Anything for me with moisture is great, and that goes for oily skin too. Like this said, it goes for any skin type, and even when you have oily skin, just because you have oily skin doesn't mean you have moisturized skin. There is a difference. So this retails for $39, which is way over the price box already. Pretty cool. Alright, the next product that we have is the BECCA HYDRA-MIST and Refresh powder. This powder retails for $39. It says the weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin. Mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and a comfortable feel. This is the powder that when you touch it, whew, it feels wet almost. I mean, 50% water, whatever, you know. Yeah, when you feel it, it is unlike any, oh my god, it's just amazing. Like, it's a little dab, dab, dab. It doesn't feel too crazy on your finger. It does feel cold, and then you like put it on your skin and rub it, and it feels cold, and like there's a drop of water on your arm. I love it. I think that's just so cool. So I'm going to be using a Luxe 522 tapered highlighter brush, and I'm just going to dab in and set my face all over. Oh my gosh. It literally feels like my brush is damp. It is the weirdest thing, and my face feels wet. Craziest thing. I feel like this is something that even if you don't go buy the full size, you need to go try, you need to get a sample from somewhere just so you can try it on the face, or go in store and have them put it on you so you can see how it feels on the face. Because it's one thing to put it on your finger and like rub it on your arm. It's a whole nother thing when you actually put it on a brush and put it on your face. It's just the craziest thing. I can't get over it. All right. I so far really like this. I think it definitely gives the skin a nice finish. Feels amazing on the face. It, my face feels really soft too, but it definitely gives it a smoother look on the face. It helps cover those pores and makes everything just look smoother. I really like it. I can't wait to continue to use it and see if I continue to like it. Again, $39, BECCA HYDRA-MIST and Refresh powder. Wait, this was $42. I'm pretty sure I said this was $39. No, this is $42. $42. You must do some amazing things, lady. Wow. So yeah, this one is $39. This one is $42. let's move on. Okay, the next products are from Ace Beauty. This is the Glimmer Shadow Duo. These retail for $25. I'm assuming for the set because duo means two, so two of them, $25, okay? All right, this shade is Iced Latte, and the other shade we have is Cotton Candy. Now, right off the bat, they remind me of the ColourPop shadows. I don't have the shadows, but I do have a blush, which feels Super Shock shadows. But I'm pretty sure they feel exactly like the blush, so I am gonna compare it to that. It kind of feels like it. It's not as, I mean, it does have that bouncy weirdness to it that a normal eyeshadow doesn't have. If you've ever felt a ColourPop Super Shock shadow, you'll know what I mean. This kind of has it, but it's not as, there's a difference. Oh yeah, there's a way difference just swatching that blush. And maybe it's because these Ace Beauty ones have a texture to them, whereas the ColourPop ones are smooth. They don't have, like, they're not stamped to have a texture. These ones have texture. So maybe that has something to do with it. These are both absolutely beautiful. The top one is Iced Latte and the bottom one is Cotton Candy. I feel like the camera isn't getting the full exactly what they look like, but they're still pretty. So I'm going to just figure out a quick look with them. My favorite way to use the ColourPop versions is to just throw them on the floor, apparently. My favorite way to wear the ColourPop shadows are to just put one transition shade in the crease and then take one ColourPop shadow and take your ring finger, pop it all over lid, call it a day. Super easy, super fast, looks amazing, but since we have two, we'll do something a little bit different. So let's do this. You go what, baby?
I want to play more toys.
You want to play with your toys?
Yeah.
Hey, can you look up? Look, say hi. Who's that in there?
No.
Who is it in there?
No.
Oh, okay. You're doing great. You want some more of that one? Good job. Wow, can I see? Look at me. Oh, whoa. Very nice. I am going to prime up my lids with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. Got the eyes finished. I just wanted to keep it really simple. I just wanted to be able to use them and see how they worked. They are super beautiful. $25 for both of these. I absolutely love them. I'm definitely going to use them again, but I will say ColourPop makes things very similar to this. So if you are looking for a cheaper dupe or version of this, ColourPop, yo. Next thing we have in the box I'm really excited about is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. I am glad I got the mascara though, because I am currently using the NARS Climax Mascara, and it's not my favorite. I don't hate it, but this mascara claims to lift and deliver a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Alright, mascara side, regular side. Obviously it does my lashes a lot of justice. I think it looks great. I don't know, so far I really like it. My only thing is this retails for $23 and I am still very much, it's hard for me to spend money on a mascara. I'm super glad it came in the box because like I said, I do not like to pay high-end price for mascara. I prefer drugstore mascara. I think drugstore mascara can get as good of a coverage as this can, and even better. I still love it. I will still use it. It's just something I personally wouldn't purchase again. I do think, though, one of my favorite mascaras is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. If I put this on first and then this over top of it, I think it would look fantastic. But still, I would rather buy 2 different drugstore mascaras, this one and then a more volumizing one. You're paying the same price as one high-end one and you're getting a better look out of it. So it's just personal preference. It's, like I said, it's a very good mascara. Just for me, I'd rather pay for a drugstore mascara. Alright, so there's the mascara all done. Like I said, I really like it. Glad I got it. Wouldn't repurchase it. Alright, the last item in the box is from Steve Laurent. This is a lip liner. Beautiful shade. This retails for $15 and is in the shade Vogue. Now, I will not be putting this on my lip right now because I'm sure you can see it. I've got a little sore on my lip, so no liner for me. The color is very pretty. It's mauve. It's hard to tell with a lip liner if you're not actually using it on the lips, but when I was putting it on, I was probably pressing too hard. Yeah, I was definitely pressing too hard because it was kind of starting to crumble almost. When I'm doing light pulls, it still feels like it's very pulley. I don't know. Like I said, it's something you have to test on the lips. I'm sorry I can't do that for you today. I really hope it works well. I have high hopes for it. Another day. I'll try it another day. Okay. This box retailed for $144. Absolutely 150% worth it for me. I do love, really, I mean, other than lip liner, because I don't know how it's going to work, I love everything else in this box. I think this was wonderful. If you got a different variation of a Boxycharm box, let me know what you got in your box. I would love to know. And let me know how you like it, if you thought this box was worth it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to keep notifications on so you don't miss any of my videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Did I already say that? Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.